Okay.
You guys did that.
Go.
Go get your wrestler.
Go get your wrestler.
Randy Orton.
Go get your wrestler. Be careful on how you open it. Be careful on how you open it.
6-1.
This has to go
Be careful on how you open it. Don't rip. Just pull the paper.
Happy people?
Careful. Turn it around, boy. Turn it around, Chris.
I'm gonna cry.
What is that?
WWE wrestling ticket.
Yeah, you're gonna go to the wrestling class. What's the date?
The day-
It's on the bottom.
January. Oh my God. January 6th.
It's
You'll
like
be at
next
school.
week. No, it's next week, Friday.
Oh my God.
Now give me back those tickets so we don't lose or rip or damage them. Give me the
Where is it? We're seeing WWE. Where is it? Where'd Aiden go?
tickets. He's a heart attack somewhere.
I thought it was gonna be the circus ones.
He fell out because he's gonna see WWE tickets. Look at the ticket in his hand.
Aiden, we're seeing
WWE.
WWE. Oh my
All right, guys.
gosh. Man, this is a dream. Oh my.
What?
It's a dream.